Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I know I have a lot of new subscribers. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here with us. And today I'm going to do a small tutorial on one eye. As you can see, I've already done this eye and I'll come up close so you can see it. And we're going to be doing that with the Princess palette from Disney. It's a beautiful palette. These are the colors in the palette. And we're going to be using first, I'm sorry about the lighting. We're going to be using these two colors right here. So how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody had a wonderful long weekend. We're going to start with the first lightest shade, and we're going to be putting that on top of the eyelid, above the eyelid, not on top. Sorry about that. As you can see, the colors, it's very pigmented and very beautiful, this palette. With the same brush, I'm gonna put this color here. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and I'm gonna start adding this purple right here. Is like a dark purple. It does have the name on them. I don't know why I didn't tell you that. And it's called Magic Carpet. The first colors I used was Triton and then Abu. Now I'm going to use Magic Carpet. I'm going to start by pressing this all on my crease. As you can see, it's very pigmented. And then I'm going to start blending it. And I only put twice, and you can see how pigmented it is. I'm going to clean my brush, and then I'm going to add on the top of the Abu, I'm going to add Juju, which is, oh my goodness, which is the second one right here. It's like a light pink. And I'm going to add this on top. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Prince Charming. And I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my brow so you can see how pretty it is. See how pretty it is? And then with another brush, my brushes don't have any names, so I'm going to go into the shade Fairy Godmother. I'm going to wet my brush with my e.l.f. setting spray. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lid. That's such a pretty pink. I don't have any fallout on my eyes, but there is a little bit of kickback on the palette. I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go back with the shade Abu and put this underneath. The brush is too thick. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna take the shade Magic Carpet again, which is the dark purple. And I'm gonna put that also underneath to smoke out the eye a little bit. And then I'm gonna use a white eyeliner. I'm gonna put that on my waterline. And I'm gonna be taking this shade wow, I can't say the name. Thingamambob. Thingamambob. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit, and I'm gonna be placing that in my inner corners of my eyes. Sorry about that. Sorry if I'm so close to you. Let me put some mascara. Not putting on no lashes today. because it is after, it's about midnight, and then I'm just going to be taking this off and going to sleep. But somebody asked me if I did a tutorial with this palette. They would like to see how the colors work, how the color payoff is. And so I said, okay, I would be doing one. And I'll leave in my description box everything else that I have as far as my foundation, my lipstick, all that other good stuff. I'll leave it in my description box. And this is the final look. Like I said, I'm not putting on no lashes. I'm coming up close. And that was pretty quick. And last but not least, and that is the final look. I hope you guys like this. Colors are very pretty. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. I thought I was getting my Allure box today and I was going to do the unboxing, but I didn't receive it. So when I receive my Allure, I'll be uploading another video. See somebody over there sleeping, supposed to be sleeping, and she's peeping under the blanket. My granddaughter. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Good night, wherever you are. Bye.